This is the newest video from Alip Ba Ta. Get on the floor.
I know the words because it's on the radio. Shut up!
Sally over here really likes Jennifer Lopez. Doesn't change the fact that I can't stand her. So why don't we get on the floor with this new Alip Ba Ta Jennifer Lopez reaction video.
Hey, cool.
So let's do it. Alright. Alright. Dude, okay. I really dislike Jennifer Lopez. That sounds incredible! Sally,
I'm not sorry!
Sally is right that this is awesome. This is absolutely incredible. Dude, he plays that perfectly, dude. With all those dude, he is a master. Okay, I'm deeming Alip this. Alip is a master harmonicer. That's a word I just made up, harmonicer. Listen to this. Dude, I gotta listen to that intro again. It's catchy too. That's all harmonics. So he's got two things going on. He's doing the harmonics, which is that little musical melody, that ding 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 ding, and then he's doing the chord progression with this hand. I'm not doing what he's doing, but he's doing two things in one. All right, let's keep going.
Sally, get over here! Did you see this?
Wow! Alip's shredding, dude. Alip just shredded on a Jennifer Lopez song. One of my most disliked songs in the world. Alip just made it face-meltingly good. And he's throwing in the blues. Dude, it's so good. Dude, that is blues. What he just did there, that little lick he just did, that's blues through and through. That's what I love about Alip, is that he's taking a pop song, putting his spin on it, and then he throws in like Alip Ba Ta blues licks that just blow me away. Dude, the harmonics. Okay. Do you realize what he just did? Do you realize? He just played a very long lick in flamenco style. Watch. Whoops. I don't know why that came up. Watch. Watch his picking hand. Watch this hand. He does it like this. He goes from bottom like that. That's flamenco style picking. Keep in mind, this is a pop song that dude, you can't even call this Jennifer Lopez anymore. This is Alip Lopez. This is Alip Ba Ta on the floor, is what this is. This is Alip Lopez on the floor. Because he's adding so much of his own flair to it. And these harmonics that he's doing up here, you know how hard it is to get to play and get your hand back into it? I mean, dude, I'm telling you. All right. Right here. After this. Dude, then he goes, that's flamenco. So he's already throwing in blues. I'm spitting everywhere. He's throwing in blues licks, and then he does flamenco. That's flamenco, Spanish style, maybe Italian style guitar through and through. And it's just, but it works. You would think you couldn't do that, but it works. That is so good sounding. And he's in standard tuning. I thought he was... That is absolutely incredible. He's in standard. I thought he was in some kind of alternate tuning. You would think, because of all the sounds that he's making come out of that guitar. But he was playing this chord, and he might have the high E tuned maybe to like a B, so it's like an open, but he can still play regular chords. But he's doing... He's doing that, so that's for sure standard.